Good evening. My name is Deborah Henning, and my work with NEXT.cc began with the task of aligning the next generation science standards with NEXT.cc's learning journeys. At NEXT.cc, the issue which is central to our mission is making the study of the built and natural environment basic across the K-12 curriculum and so supporting a sustainable future. NEXT.cc is an e-learning eco-web that introduces what design is, what design does, and why design is important to K-12 schools, campuses, and communities. Next grows from the collaborative efforts of college students who work with principals, teachers, architects, and artists to research and create transdisciplinary journeys that connect local issues with sustainable global practices. At NEXT.cc, participants build habits of systems thinking as they move from the computer into the community to learn about themselves, their neighbors, and the world. With diverse approaches to learning, NEXT.cc engages self-directed learners in the study of history, the environment, and the culture of place in order that they might create their own sense of place and purpose. NEXT.cc's EcoWeb introduces topics that are fundamental to design thinking. The tools of thought used by scientists, environmentalists, architects, and designers as they investigate and interact with the world. The tool journeys help students develop design knowledge and skills, including researching, writing, speaking, visualizing, diagramming, and making. All topics from streets to green materials to public spaces have their own language while also contributing to the metaphorical language that enables creative thought. At NEXT.cc, the language journeys exploit words and vocabularies in order to explore relationships within and among topics that inspire wonder at our built and natural worlds. Next invites you to be an explorer and to see the world by looking closely wherever you are. The discovery journeys explore how the economy, culture, climate change, and technology are shaping responsible design practices. At NEXT.cc, learners discover the interconnected, transdisciplinary thinking between earth, air, water, well-being, and design of the everyday. NEXT.cc integrates design activities across 9 interconnected scales: nano, pattern, object, space, architecture, neighborhood, urban, region, and the world, while also paying attention to time and place. Inside and online, students sketch, draw, paint, photograph, animate, model, and build. Outside, they become active citizens in the world, enhancing learning experience and sampling design careers. NEXT.cc's 250 journeys are accessed in 50 states and 150 countries, revealing the large and growing interest in design learning. The resources at NEXT.cc, including virtual field trips, museum interactives, and links to contemporary science, environmental, architecture, and design practices, introduce students to the complex systems of fluid knowledge that characterize design learning. NEXT.cc also supports STEM to STEAM teaching and learning.
There's STEM teaching: science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. And then there's STEAM teaching that adds art and the environment as necessary to human knowledge and innovation. NEXT.cc offers place-based transdisciplinary activities to connect the built with the natural world, supporting creativity and our sustainable future.
Next nurtures imagination by sharing our wonder at the built and natural worlds and empowering teachers and students to green their schools, their schoolyards, and their communities.